Did you know that there's one thing that has the most impact on your speech, more than just about anything else? What do you think that one thing is? Your thoughts. It's your pattern of thinking. It's your way of thinking. My name is Michael Williams, and in this video, short video, I'm going to be inviting you to a webinar where we're going to be talking about how to control your thoughts, because once you have control over your thoughts, you also have control over your speech. And not only can you control your speech with your thoughts, but virtually every other area of your life is impacted, and often directly, by your thoughts, by your thinking. Did you know that you can actually heal your body, like physically, with your thoughts? You are able to heal yourself emotionally with your thoughts. And for sure, you're able to calm yourself down and feel more relaxed with your thoughts. You can learn to speak more smoothly and confidently with your what? With your thoughts, absolutely. So the one thing that you absolutely must become more aware of and must gain control over is the way that you think. That is, what you think, the content of your thoughts, how often you think it, and also the intensity of those thoughts. That's the emotion that's attached to those thoughts. And that's what we're going to talk about in this webinar, because once you get control over your thoughts, then you have your hands firmly on the steering wheel of your life. There's virtually nothing that you cannot change once you're able to control and change, that is, direct your thoughts in the direction that you want them to go, okay? So if you've been struggling with negative anticipation, you've been worrying about, you're constantly thinking about your speech, you're worrying about this word and that word, you're avoiding speaking situations, you're avoiding opportunities, you're avoiding social situations and opportunities, then this is the webinar that you want to be in, because we're going to be talking about the very thing that can help get you over that and take you to the next level. It all starts with your thinking. So go ahead, and I'm going to put a link in the description, as well as you're going to see a little eye in the upper corner of the video. It's a circle with an eye, and you click that and you'll be able to register for this webinar there as well. So I look forward to seeing you. Again, my name is Michael Williams, and look forward to working with you soon.